Hello, congratulations to you. If you can see this video, that means you are on the right way to learn. That means you will become better on guitar. Cause today, hey, guess what, we are starting with those episodes. There will be 150 episodes, lessons. So from the beginner to the top guitarist to the pro, you need to play like me, like a pro. Oh, welcome. Do not even miss one of these episodes, please. There will be 150 per day will be uploading like 1 or 2 episodes. May God bless you. Welcome, subscribe if you are new, and it will be from the beginners. We will do improvisation, we will do how to play guitar, how to melodies, how to create all of those things, so that you can be you can reach that level that I know now guitar. I will give you all my knowledge, my spirits about guitar. Thank you. Welcome. I'm Joel Ngovi Solaro. Thank you. Very easy, right? So how have you seen this one? I hope you have seen that how these skills, this stuff can help us to build our rhythm, to colorate our stuff, our melodies, our harmony. So there is a secret, this one. I need you to learn this so that when we reach a level that we are about to create, to learn how to create, to learn how to build up melodies. So these are foundation. They are stuff that will help us to build now. Welcome to this 4th episode out of those 105th episode. If you are new, watch the previous episode 1, 2, 3. You can just search Joel Ngovi Solaro episode guitar. Episode 1, 2. This is the 4th. So congratulations to you that you are with us from the first one till this one. I'm telling you, after this 150 episodes, you will see change on your guitar. So let us go. When we talk about creating your stuff, your melodies, your rhythm, there is this thing. There is the stuff that will help you to build. Just like when you are building your house, you will need cement, you will need, all those stuff you will need. So you need doors, you need this and that and that. So these are the stuff now that will help you to to build your melody. So let's go with it. I need us to learn it kindly. It's this stuff. You can see how they add something in this my rhythm. C, F, G, F. So let us go with them now. Thank you and welcome. Welcome and congratulations. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video. And then you will tell us how you are excited, how excited are you about the next episode? Thank you. Here we are. So here we are. I started with this one. So they like this. We are playing them like this, eh? I'm still in C. So this fourth will touch this one, and this will come here on the third strings here in the second fret here, and this here. So like this, and I will play in these two hands. So please see how I'm building my how I'm placing my hands on the guitar. So this will come here, this on the 6th, and this will come in the second fret on the 3rd fret. So like this. So I'll play right slowly. I know you are a beginner and you need to go. I need to go with you slowly. So, and then this is the 6th, and the second one is up on the second. So, and then here I'm playing the 5th is open, and then this one is on this chord, on these strings C. So are you seeing where it's playing here? And then this is the basics that you need before we reach, after some 15 or 10 episodes, we'll take now the right speed. Here I'm just going with you slow so that you can understand. And then second is open. After here we go. After you come the way you played here, and then after here you will come same position. You just jump one fret. After that you will come here, right? You double this, this will come here, and then you will come here. I'm playing the 5th and the 2nd strings. Right? Are we together? Right? So the homework I give you, you will just return yourself like this. Sorry. Sorry. So that's the first one, and then the secondly will come like this. So that's the first stuff we are learning. The second one is this one. It will start with the this is the second one, eh? This was the first one. So here we are starting like this. This is the second one now. So the second one I will start with the fifth, and this first strings is open. And then, so let's start. And then you double it, you come here, okay, and then this is the fourth and the first strings. So right, so that's the importance of this one. When you know them, you can now play them as you like and build up your melodies. Another one will be like that. Another one I can play. Right. Another one I can play. So hope you have seen this lesson. It's very, very important. And when we reach a certain level, I'm sure you will very well remember this lesson, and it will be for us easier to learn because we will be already have that foundation. Thank you very much.